Infrastructure has a very important impact on the learning of the child and the psychological well-being of a child. I start with a very simple example. Let's say there is a school which is located in the vicinity of an industry. Now there would be constant pollution, constant noise, and this would be detrimental onto the health of the student. It would also distract the student continuously and would reduce the number of days the student is present in the classroom. So, a child's health and well-being is important, and school infrastructure makes it or ensures it that it is not compromised. So, what are the things that are taken into account when we say impact of school infrastructure? Definitely it should be a place which is far from city limits, or even within city limits it should have an ample greenery around, so that the air pollution, the sound pollution, noise pollution is significantly reduced. The facilities within the school should be hygienic, which would avoid health problems of the child. The functioning of all the equipments should be proper. The children should not suffer from excessive sweating or problems of electricity. Also, if any of these happen, it would lead to constant absenteeism of the student, and that would be again detrimental to the performance of the student. Three important things that we say are important while we see the school infrastructure and its impact on psychological well-being of a child. It's firstly the naturalness. That means how close the school is to nature. Well lighted, well air quality, good surrounding atmosphere, a lively atmosphere. The next is stimulation. Now stimulation would come with colors, complexities, the avenues that the child gets around. And the last is individualization, where individual child gets a unique space to express themselves, and we call this as individualization. Therefore, it's extremely important that school infrastructure does not only impact the academic performance of the child, but also helps inculcate that the attendance of the child is regular, there is reduced absenteeism, and it also imbibes a sense of discipline. Since the child is there for 6 to 8 hours a day, which is a significant time of a day, nearly 1/3 of the day the child is in that atmosphere. So it's extremely essential that that atmosphere has to be well maintained and has a positive impact on the upbringing of the child. So definitely know the infrastructure and know that how it psychologically impacts your child's upbringing. Thank you.